What's good, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Anthony and I'm here with a new unboxing for you guys. Here we have the Canon Powershot G9X. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's get right into this unboxing of the Canon Powershot G9X Mark II. Alright, so it looks like a beautiful camera. It has 20.1 megapixels, a 28mm lens and 3x zoom, and it has a 2.0 to 4.9 aperture. All right, so it's pretty decent in low light. There's Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC, pretty standard point and shoot. So let's get right into this unboxing. All right, so we're first greeted with some paperwork. We have a registration card to register your product, the Canon limited warranty, and a thick G9X Mark II manual. And I'm pretty sure it's, oh, okay, that's why. It's in English, French, and Spanish. So, yeah. All right, so it looks like we're immediately greeted with, this looks like the battery charger, and it's good because it's a plug-in charger. It's not one of those where you have to plug in the camera to charge it. This is actually a battery charger that you plug into the wall, into the outlet. So it's really, really nice. What is this? To reduce the risk of fire. Okay, we ain't gotta worry about that. Next we have the battery pack. Now usually Canons are pretty decent when it comes to battery power. The camera that I'm shooting on right now is the Rebel T7i, and the battery is pretty decent. Okay, so it's 1250 milliamp hours, yeah. So that's pretty decent for a small point and shoot. All right, so let's put that to the side. Okay, all right, so that must be the camera right there, but let's see what's this right here. Okay, so it looks like this is the strap. What's that thing 50 Cent is saying right now? He's saying, get the strap. Nah, but this is the strap for the camera, so I guess you wear this on your wrist so you don't drop it. And now for the main event of the evening. We have, ooh, this is nice, the Canon Powershot G9X. Really, really clean looking. And you know what's funny? I thought it would have had a flip screen, but it does not. It's just a 3-inch LCD touchscreen. So really, really nice. So it'll be kind of hard to vlog on this thing. But yeah, and as I mentioned, it has the 2.0 to 4.9 aperture and a 10.2 to 30.6 millimeter lens. And 3x the zoom, and it has image stabilization as well. So if you're walking about, it'll have smooth, you'll get smooth video. So it looks like it has a pop-up flash. There you go. There's no shoe to sit a external microphone or a flash. There's a Wi-Fi button and an on-off button. All right, and then you have your mode selector at the top. And then you have your zoom and shutter button right there. Okay, so here you have a mini HDMI and a mini USB. And then you also have your record button. You have a set button, menu button, and info button. Really beautiful camera. Beautiful camera. But as I mentioned, it wouldn't be ideal for vlogging because you need to kind of have your an LCD screen that's flipped up to actually view the screen and vlog. So this is a great point and shoot camera for someone that's traveling and just wants to take pictures, and someone that's behind the camera actually shooting video of another subject. But yeah, what else is there to this thing? Oh, and there's the, I'm sorry, the Wi-Fi button is right there. Right there. Really nice camera. All right, and there is nothing else in the box. So that's pretty much it. If you're looking to vlog with a point and shoot camera, I would highly suggest that you purchase the G7X Mark II, because it has the flip screen that you can use to actually view yourself while you're vlogging. And I believe this one retails for about $399. It's available on Amazon and it's available at Best Buy. And the G7X Mark II actually retails for $699, but it's on sale at Best Buy and on Amazon.com for $649. So get it while the get is good, man, because it's on sale right now. But if you're looking for a vlog camera, get the G7X Mark II. If you're looking for just a camera to point and shoot and someone's going to be behind the camera, then you can get away with the G9X, because there's not much of a difference between the two cameras, except that the G7X has the flip up screen. All right, and if you would like information on the G7X or the unboxing, you could click on the screen tag that's going to pop up right now, and you can just click on that to view the unboxing of the G7X. All right, guys, that pretty much does it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the GeekSource family. Share this video and share all the information regarding GeekSource with your family. Just to let you guys know, I will have a link down in the description to where you can buy this off Amazon. I believe it's about $3.99 right now, and it's also available at Best Buy for the same price. So until next time, guys, peace.